review for today, and I can pretty much tell you it's not going to give you much today. I think with these two hanging men sitting here on the daily, see them there, that is the indication that we need to be very cautious here, because that is happening off a level. Okay, you can see this is the previous support area here. There's been quite a bit of support at this area, and we're now using it as resistance at the moment. So with that in mind, you see what I mean there? It's really, trend is still up. Let's just get the facts right first. So trend is still up. So the only trade that I am looking for on this, on the S&P 500 is a long. Okay. Do I want to be long at this area here? No. There's no reason for me to be long at this area. Do I want to be long on a pullback? Yes, I do. Okay. And obviously, as I've been saying, I'm looking for a pullback back onto structure. And for me, the closest structure at the moment is this area here of 31.33. However, 3200, is it? Yeah, 3200 is where we've been stuck for a couple of days now. Now, let's just fine tune this at the moment. So that is our range currently. Okay, we come down to the hour, you'll see clear range. So the upside is 3236, the downside is 3187. Okay, until we break through this range, there is no trade for me, unfortunately. So the longs I'd be looking at are off the bottom here of 3187. Okay, and the longs I would look at is a break of 3236 and a retest of 3236. That would give me an opportunity to be long. Okay, until that happens, this for me is ranging. It's danger. Not interested in it because it's just going to cost me money, guaranteed. So I don't like trading ranges. I only really want to be trading with the trend. So I'm looking for breakouts and retests in order to be trading. And at the moment, there's no breakouts and retests. This is all just building structure right now. And it could be structure for a move down, or it could be structure for a move up. There's no clear signal of which way that's going to go. Okay, so if we just get down to 15 minutes, just have a look at yesterday's price action. You can see the move down. Okay, now if I put structure in here, you can see there is structure right there. Look there. See the seller stepped in off that bit of structure, and now we're up above that structure and we're holding it at the moment. You can read into that whatever you want to read, to be honest. I think for me right now, London Open is the key to this. And if we do get a break above and we start holding that level up top there, that would definitely get me long again. If we get down to the downside here and we hold the level and we get some bullish price action, that would also get me long. Okay, but remember what I say, whenever we are moving up and below a moving average like this, that is a sign of a range, it's a sign of consolidation, it's a sign of danger, it's a sign of stay out. Okay, and it doesn't matter what time frame you see that on, you can see it's happening on the hour, it's happening on the 15 minute and the 30 minute. You go up to your higher time frames, you'll see clear trend to the upside. So that is more than likely a consolidation for another move. But it could consolidate like this for another day or two, which is why I'm not looking at that right now. Okay, so what would I be looking at on the S&P today is definitely breakouts. Okay, so breakout and just fine tuning again. 3235 is a breakout to the upside, and 3187 is a breakout to the downside. Not that I would chase that short. I think I would rather wait at structure further down for a long. Okay, so the structure I'd wait for is somewhere down here. Sometimes what happens is it comes into the middle of nowhere and then just starts bouncing sort of either on a Fibonacci level or something, and then turns around and carries on up. So the trend is up. I'm looking for longs, just can't go long here. Either off the bottom of this range or further down, somewhere in the area of 3150 would offer some value for me to be long. And what I'm actually looking for, guys, is I'm looking for that gap to close there. So that's that's my initial target right now. That is 33.40. That's the area that I'm looking to close. And when you look at this on the 8-hour, you can see strong trend, consolidation. If you're looking at this on a lower time frame, you'd be expecting a breakout to the upside. You wouldn't be expecting a move to the downside right now. Okay, so yes, it looks different on the hour. Okay, but the point is, the longer time frames, there is absolutely no reason to be short. Okay, anyway, guys, probably doesn't help anybody at the moment unless you are a range trader. But that's not me. I'm not a range trader. Just you can see these gaps here as well. What am I on here? 15 minutes. So you can see the gap over there. Bet your bottom dollar that's going to close in the morning session. Okay, so that's going to close during UK Open, and then we're going to have to wait and see what's going to transpire. But there's definitely sort of consolidation on the go here. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. For me, I'm not bothered with this at the moment until we get a break, either up or down. Okay, we break down, I'm waiting further down for a long. We break up, I'm looking for the retest and I'm long. Only looking for longs, that's it. And we're going to have to be patient and wait it out. Anyway, hope it helps you somewhat. And if you like what you hear, give us a thumbs up. I'm trying to grow the channel, and every like helps me grow the channel. And we'll catch you guys later. Cheers for now.